Hi, my name is Christina and I work at Garabelle Subaru here in Norwalk, Connecticut, and today we'll be talking about climate control in a 2020 Subaru Ascent. So if you look over here, you have your on-off button. You have dual climate control, so one for the driver and one for the passenger. This car also has rear ventilation, so on-off button right here. And if you hold this button, you could actually lock it, so if you have kids in the back seat, they won't be messing around with that. You have this is your fan speed and your mode, so it'll show you where the airflow is going through. And then your sync button will synchronize the temperature with the passenger and rear vents. And down here, this is your button for circulated air or outside air. And then this is your front defroster, your rear and side mirror defroster, and then the AC button just makes the air cooler, so use it in the summertime. Okay, so now we're in the back of the Ascent, and then we have our rear climate control here. You have your on-off button, your mode, so it shows you where the air is flowing through, fan speed, temperature, and you hit auto and it'll automatically go to your desired temperature. And then over here, this is where the air vents are. Could close it or open it for airflow. And so we have one here, there, and two in the back. Anyways, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.